The cup and handle pattern is a strategy used to identify bottoming and reversal trends. The typical criteria for this pattern involve an initial trend, followed by a consolidation phase forming a cup shape. Afterward, there's a small breakout higher, followed by a flag or handle formation, ultimately leading to the beginning of a new long-term trend. While spotting this pattern can be challenging, once identified, it has the potential to be a highly profitable trading strategy. In the cup portion of this setup, the trend gradually loses strength. This is evident as the stock attempts to go lower, but each descent is not as significant as the previous ones. These unsuccessful attempts to drop indicate that buyers are supporting the stock. The intense struggle between buyers and sellers sets the stage for a reversal. As the stock starts to rise, each dip is higher than the last, signaling that buyers are gradually gaining control and moving the stock upward. This brings us to the end of the cup pattern, where buyers swiftly take control before the handle. The battle isn't over as buyers and sellers engage in another round, creating a handle or flag. This is viewed as a pause in buying, often leading to a significant move, as seen in the example above. The narrative of this pattern unfolds as a slow and methodical battle where bulls gradually overtake bears. Victory is evident in the emergence of a new trend following this pattern. Identifying the cup and handle pattern in real time can be challenging. It's a complex pattern that requires almost a perfect fit of the cup and handle components. The crucial advice is not to force the recognition of this pattern if the cup and/or handle doesn't appear to be a perfect match. It might be more prudent to move on rather than imposing a preconceived idea of what should happen with the stock. Patience and a discerning eye are key when dealing with intricate patterns like the cup and handle. The size of the cup in the cup and handle pattern is indicative of the potential breakout. Following a significant sell-off, many stocks may take several months to reach their bottom. This extended period suggests that major institutions, like big banks, are quietly accumulating shares at lower prices. In these prolonged market bottoms, it becomes easier for traders to chart, identify, and trade the cup and handle pattern. In some cases, a handle may not be clearly visible on the chart for traders to enter, and that's acceptable. The setup remains very bullish even without a distinct handle on the chart. The pattern itself carries positive implications for potential price movements. Traders often seek entry into this setup at the upper part of the cup, using it as a support level that typically precedes the first breakout. Another, less risky entry point is during the handle consolidation at the support level. This consolidation period is usually brief and is likely to be followed by a more substantial move. The consolidation often takes the form of a wedge or descending channel on the chart. These entry points are strategic for traders looking to capitalize on potential breakouts. Placing the stop loss is a critical aspect of risk management in this setup. For entry 1, the stop loss should be positioned below the cup support arc, and for entry 2, it should be below the consolidation support line. The extent of risk taken by traders is entirely dependent on their assessment of potential profits. This aligns with the principle of balancing risk and reward in trading decisions. Traders are recommended to take profits at previous consolidation levels for a short-term exit. For a more extended time frame, the optimal exit strategy is to target the full retracement of the preceding move. These exit points provide clear and strategic guidelines for both short-term and long-term trading scenarios. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any trading-related questions, reach out to me on WhatsApp using this number. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another trading strategy video soon. Until then, have a nice day and happy trading.